It's a classic scenario. One fighter runs across the ring like the Tasmanian devil, ready to unleash everything he's got. His calmer, more composed opponent throws one punch. Boom, out go the lights. He's flat on his back, wondering what day of the week it is. It's no different in sales. You finally get in front of that decision maker and you unleash your barrage. Features, benefits, why you're better than the competition. And boom, out go the lights. But in your case, it cost you a sale. The problem is focus. What are you really focused on when you approach a new prospect? Be honest. Obviously, the right answer is your focus is on your customer, but is it? Every time? There are plenty of legitimate reasons your focus might be somewhere else. You have bills to pay. You're trying to make your quota. You took 50 calls to get in front of this prospect, or the prospect tells you you've got just 5 minutes. You're worried you might not get your point across, or you know your competition has the next appointment. You really need this sale. No matter what the reason, your focus has to be 100% on the customer. Everything else is a distraction. The art of focus is about eliminating distractions. It's about turning off the noise. Every self-interested reason you have for launching into an aggressive pitch is a distraction. And it's a distraction that can cost you the sale. If you've done your homework, you're fully prepared, and you're confident in what you're selling, you don't need to launch into a pitch. What does your customer want? What does your customer need? What does your customer really care about? That's what you need to be focused on. Focus on the customer's needs, and you really don't need to pitch. All you need to do is demonstrate how your product or service fills those needs, and why doing business with you is the best option for the customer. We can talk about any variable: price, availability, service, quality, but unless your customer truly believes you're focused on their needs, no sale. Sometimes your customer's needs are not going to align with what you're selling. I don't care what you heard at that last seminar. No pitch in the world is going to close that gap. And you can practice handling objections till you're punched out. Unless your answers are focused on specific customer needs instead of concessions, start the count. You want to increase sales? Work on focus. And if you want to make that sale, this is not optional. Focus on your customer.
Think like a black belt for yourself, for your business, or your next conference or event. Learn more at thatblackbeltguy.com.